Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video I will show you how to send a sign request using Fingerprint security. Right-click on your PDF and select Open Edit. Click on Sign Request. We have a lot of options you can choose from. In this example we will be using signature. Please click on Sign. Click on Add New Recipient. Fill in the required information, make this recipient selected and click on Submit. Drag signature to correct location. Now the document is ready, please click on Finish. You have three options to choose from. Saved as PDF, export to PDF and export to a new PDF and keep original document. With sign requests, save PDF would be default. Right-click on the PDF and select Sign Request. Your recipient is selected automatically based on your sign requests. Select Fingerprint as a security. We only need recipient signature, so select Marked as Complete. This means after the recipient signs the document will be completed. Click on Send. Now I will sign to my other account and show you what is next. Click on Signing Requests. There is Pending Document, click on Sign. Add your signature. The system is now asking you to verify yourself with Fingerprint. Go to your mobile app and verify yourself. Once you do that, add your signature. Click on Finish. Now you can download copy of the document. Let's go back to the sender account to double-check if the document was signed. The document is saved and completed. Right-click on it and select Open Edit. The document is signed and verified. Well done. You have learnt how to send sign request with Fingerprint security. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.